morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, September 21st, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags. I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
This month is Hispanic Heritage Month. Today we will be honoring Jan Felipe Herrera, a childhood of moving around California with his family to find work. Herrera graduated high school and went to get degrees from UCLA Stanford and the Iowa Writers Workshop. His writing was influenced by upbringing as a poor farmer. In 2015, Herrera named Poet Laureate one of literature's most distinctive honors. He became the first Hispanic American to receive the award. Wow.
Everyone, please remember to nominate somebody who's been kind for Friendly Falcon. Look for the QR code to scan around the school.
This Friday, September 24th, is Picture Day. Be ready to dress nice and wear a big smile.
Now for today's weather. Today in Kelton, it will be cloudy with a high of 84 and a low of 64. It's cooled down.
Yay!
Hi, I'm Lily, Kindness Ambassador, and here's your first Kindness Challenge. This week, we want you to simply reflect on Kindness Week. It's only been a few weeks, so we know you remember it. What was your favorite part of Kindness Week? As a reminder, each day we focused on being kind to our friends, the heroes all around us, our loved ones, ourselves, and our teachers. Did you like a particular challenge? Maybe you made someone else's day, or someone made your day. Talk to your classmates and think back to what made Kindness Week so special. And we hope that you continue it throughout the school year. Have a great week, Falcons.
Today in history, in 2003, the Galileo mission has ended by sending a probe into Jupiter's atmosphere, where it got crushed by the pressure of the planet. What?
Yeah. In the headlines, Boy Scouts build agility course for dogs at Michigan Park. Dogs at Mars Gaines Community Park has now had a lot more to keep the dogs occupied, and their owners have a 17-year-old boy to thank. A new agility course opens Friday afternoon at Northville Township Park.
With hurdles, columns, and tunnels for the dogs to navigate through. Jonathan Barringer dreamed up to plans of the course 2 years ago after taking his dog Rebel on an agility course that was a 20-minute drive from his house. The visit sparked a vision to bring the option closer to home as a project to become an Eagle Scout, the highest possible rank in the Boy Scouts of America. This agility course training helps building confidence in the dog and improve the relationship between the dog and the owner. Wow.
Whoa. Wow.
It's amazing. Wow.
Today's fun fact is it will only take 1 hour to drive to space if you can go straight up in the air.
What? No way.
That's not true. Now for the joke of the day. Kayla, what's the name of a person who has no body and just a big nose?
I don't know.
Unfortunately, nobody knows.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Max.
And I'm Kayla. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bump it up.